If you're installing a pop-up sprinkler irrigation system for your lawn, you'll need fittings to connect your system together. Choose from 19 or 25mm fittings with barbed and threaded ends. Threaded fittings are used to tightly connect components so they don't leak. Barbed fittings insert directly into the polypipe to connect it together. You'll need 19 or 25mm polypipe for the water to flow to your pop-up sprinklers. Choosing the right fittings for your pop-up irrigation system is easier than you think. For pop-ups that run along the line, you'll need threaded T's. Insert the barbed end of the T into the polypipe and screw the sprinkler into the threaded end. Threaded elbows are used to screw pop-up sprinklers on the end of your irrigation line. Simply insert the barbed end into the polypipe and fasten with a locking clamp. Then screw the pop-up sprinkler onto the threaded end of the elbow. For the corners of your system, you'll need a corner elbow with a male threaded end to connect to your pop-up sprinkler. It fits a standard 15mm pop-up sprinkler. Before you get to the pop-ups, you may also need barbed fittings to connect your system together, such as barbed T's and elbows. A barbed joiner is great for an uninterrupted flow. Use these barbed fittings to connect your 19mm polypipe when you want to extend or repair your watering system. Then simply secure it with a locking clamp. Stainless steel locking clamps make the connection extra secure and watertight. If you're automating your irrigation system with a controller and solenoid valves, you'll need to connect it all with a 19 or 25mm director. This is a threaded and barbed fitting that is the connection between the solenoid and your system. Simply screw the threaded end into the solenoid valve and insert the barbed end into your polypipe and secure with a locking clamp. See our other videos to learn more about garden irrigation.